In this tutorial, we are going to set up a Gmail SMTP server in the WordPress contact form. After watching this video, you will not only be able to configure the Gmail SMTP server in the WordPress, but also you will learn Contact Form 7 email configuration. Furthermore, in the end, I will also troubleshoot some common errors faced by few WordPress users. So without any further ado, let's get started. Go to the WordPress dashboard. Now, hover over the Plugins tab, and click on Add New option. Head over to the search field, and type Gmail SMTP. Here, you will get a result of a plugin Gmail SMTP, with 5-star ratings and 2 million plus active installations. To send mail using Gmail SMTP, click on Install Now. Once installation is finished, click on Activate. Now, scroll down to the bottom side of the WordPress dashboard. Here you will get a new option, Gmail SMTP. Click on Setting. In the General tab, at the top, you will get a license key option. You can upgrade if you require a Pro feature from here. And if you have a license key, then paste it over here. For normal uses, you don't require to upgrade, so we will go with the free version. Here, you will get an option for a setup wizard. You can also use this option to set up Gmail SMTP, but we will not be using this option. Now here, we have from email. This is the email address that emails are sent from. In another word, your customer will receive emails from this email address. So make sure to enter the same Gmail address from which you are going to set up the Gmail SMTP service. Sometimes, from email entry box is disabled because of the Gmail authorization issue. In that case, don't worry, leave this option as is it. Once you authorize this plugin for the Gmail SMTP server, then this box is enabled. Now, here you can see, we have a checkbox with the name of force from the email. If you enable this checkbox, then regardless of another plugin setting, the email is forced to send from the above email only. For example, if you set different from email in the Contact Form 7 configuration, and if you enabled forced from email checkbox here, then the email set by Contact Form 7 is ignored by this plugin, and email will be sent from the above email address only. From here, you can set from the name. This is the name that emails are sent from. If you enable this checkbox, then the above from name will be used for all emails, and Gmail SMTP will ignore the other name set by other plugins. Once you select the Gmail SMTP from the below mailer option, then the return path setting will disappear. Here you can see, return path setting is disappeared. Now, scroll down to the bottom, and you will get the client ID and client secret input field. Here is the authorization option. Currently authorization is disabled. Once you will enter client ID and client secret, then the authorization link will appear here. In the end, just save the setting. To get the client ID and client secret, you need to log into the Google Cloud Console with the same email ID from which you want to send emails. To do so, just go to the Google Cloud Console, link given in the description. If you will log in for the first time, then this page will appear. On this page, check this Terms and Services Agreement, and select your country from the drop-down list. Now, click on Agree and Continue. After that, you will be on this page. If you are previously logged into the Google Cloud Platform, then this page will open directly. From here, select Create a Project, and then click on Continue. From here, just click on Go to Credentials. Now here, make sure to select Gmail API. Here it is asking for data access type. Select the User Data Radio option, and then click on the Next button. Here this step is optional, so scroll down to the bottom, and click on Save and Continue. Now here it will ask to select application type. Make sure to select web application. And then click on Done. Here you will get two options to add URLs. First one is authorized JavaScript origins, and the second one is authorized redirect URLs. You don't need to add the first JavaScript URL, but you need to add an authorized redirect URL. Now to get the authorized redirect URL, go back to the WP SMTP plugin setting. Here you will get the same URL. Copy this URL from here, and go back to the Google Cloud page. Click on the second Add URL button, and then paste the copied URL in this field. Once you will paste the authorized redirect URL, then your client ID will be created automatically. After that, click on Done. Now, click on Auth Consent Screen option. Currently our Gmail API app publishing status is in testing mode. It will not work properly in testing mode, so we need to push it in production mode. To push in production mode, click on Publish App button. Now here, it says that we do not need to submit the app for verification, unless we require any additional feature other than sending emails. We do not require any additional features, so click on Confirm to push in production mode without any verification. Now, click on the Credentials option. Then click on this pencil icon. Here you can see, we have successfully created our client ID and client secret. Copy these credentials separately, and head over to the WP SMTP plugin setting. Now, paste these credentials in their respective fields. After pasting the client ID and client secret, click on Save Settings. And now, here you can see, the authorization link has appeared. Click on this button to allow the plugin to send emails using your Google Gmail SMTP server. Here you have to choose the same account in which you have created Gmail SMTP API. Here you can see, our browser is giving us a warning because we have not verified our Gmail SMTP server app. You don't need to worry, your app is completely safe because this Gmail SMTP app is created by you, not by anyone else. So click on Advanced, and then click on this link. Now here, click on Continue. Congratulations! You have successfully linked your website with your Gmail SMTP API. Now you can start sending emails through Gmail. Let's test if Gmail SMTP is sending emails or not. To do so, click on the Email Test tab, and then click on Send Email. Here you can see, our test email is received successfully. In the next part, let's configure the same email in our Contact Form 7 plugins. Here, we will be sending emails using this Contact Form 7 design. If you want to create exact same contact form from scratch, then click the above card to watch the video. To configure the email inside Contact Form 7 plugins, go to the WordPress dashboard, and then install the Contact Form 7 plugin. Now, click on the Contact tab from the left side, and then click on the Contact Forms option. Here, click on the Edit link to configure an email in this contact form. Now here, click on the Mail tab. This is the email address where you will receive a notification email while someone messages you via your site contact form. By default, here you will get the site admin email tag, which means whatever email you have used as an admin email, the email notification will be received there. You can leave it as is or you can enter any other email address you like. I am leaving it as is. This is the From Email Customization field. By default, you will get the site title tag and admin email, but here you need to enter the same email address in which you have set up Gmail SMTP. This is the Subject Customization field. In this field, you will get the site title tag and a subject tag. This subject tag is nothing but the same subject entered by a user during message sending. This is the email tag for inserting the message sender's email address. With the help of this setting, you will get a direct reply option to the message sender in your email notification. Now, This is the message body. The first line will insert the message sender's name with the help of this tag, and the message sender's email with the help of this tag. The second line will insert the same subject entered by the message sender. The third line is for message content sent by the message sender for you, but this tag will not work if you have not used this tag in your contact form HTML code. In my case, I have used a different tag than this tag. You can see from here, I have used text area tag. So I am replacing this tag with the text area tag. At the bottom, you will get some default text along with the site title tag and your site URL link. You can leave it as is, or you can change or remove it completely. Here you will get the file attachments area and auto-reply template setting. I will not be explaining these things here because this is out of this video subject, and second thing is that I don't want to make this video too long. By the way, I have made a separate video for this topic. You can watch it from the description or from the cards. Now, in the end, just save the setting. Here you can see, our form is successfully saved. Now, let's see if our form is sending an email or not. Let me enter and send some dummy data inside this contact form. By the way, if you want to create exact same form from scratch, then watch the video from the above card. Now, our message is sent successfully. Let's see if we have received any notification inside our admin email inbox. Here you can see, we have received a notification email. Now here, we have the message sender's name and email. And here is the subject of the message. And this is the message sent by the site user for you. If you like this video, hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon to get new video updates, and make sure to check out end screen video playlist of contact form tutorials. Guys, what will be the topic of our next video? Let me know in the comment down below. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you next time.